Welcome back. This is your boy DC with emix.com, and we got a good one for you today. We're going to talk about the magic of doublers and how we use it in the mix. And we're going to have a really good example of how we use it on background vocals. So we got my homegirl Sharmayne, her new single, I Want You, mixed by us here at emix.com. And I want to just show you a little bit of, magic that we put on those background vocals, because the main purpose of them is to support the lead vocal. So let's just dive into it. I already got the plugins up because I want you to really see and hear what difference they make. So right now they're bypassed. We use 3 of them. She has all of these background vocals here, quite a few of them. As you see, I have them highlighted. So let's just hear what they got going on without the doublers. Really nice, beautiful vocals. She did an excellent job, but we can make them sound better. So I got 3 doublers here. And we're not doing anything crazy. I mean, if you look at it, this is basic doubler, and then this is a doubler for voices. Really good presets. We using the doublers by waves. So let's play that again with the doublers on. It makes them bigger, wider, fuller. It just makes them magic. All right, so I'm going to play it one more time, and I'm going to just bring them in as the harmonies are playing. So let's go. Really cool. We use this all the time. Not too many mixes that we do that don't incorporate doublers some kind of way. Let's just hear it in the mix. Slipping away and I'm out here drowning without you, baby. I want you. I want you. Beautiful. So try that when you're working on your rough mixes. Before you send it to us, just try it and see and experiment with it and see what you get. And comment below and let us know how you use doublers on some of your music. So that's a quick little doubler tutorial, and keep creating. This is your boy DC with emix.com. Let's go. Could it be that I need you? Feel me getting weak, pride slipping away and I'm out here drowning without you, baby. I want you.